Okay, so at this point, I am on the screen where I'm getting ready to start my quiz, and I'm gonna click on Launch Lockdown Browser right now, down here. And see how it's telling me to choose an application. This is the one that I want. So I can say, remember this if I choose to, and then click Open Link. And now it's gonna launch the browser. If you have other applications open on your computer, then it's gonna prompt you to close all those application windows before this will launch. But I went ahead and closed everything first, so it didn't prompt me to do that. So it says, do you want to make changes? I'm gonna say yes. And now it's launching the browser. So I went into D2L with my normal way first. I went to quizzes first and clicked Launch Browser. Now I'm back kind of to, it looks like D2L, but it's in the lockdown browser instead of Chrome or Firefox or something. So now I'm gonna click Start Quiz. And now I'm gonna take my quiz. So what's the name of your school? Next page. What's the name of the virus causing our current pandemic? Next page. Our campus is currently open. Ooh, I'm gonna get 100 on this. Next page. This was the easiest quiz I've ever taken, true. Next page. There is no next page because I'm on question 404, page 404, so I'm gonna hit submit. This will submit your quiz. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Submit the quiz. And I got 8 points out of 8 points, 100%, yay. So then when I'm done, I'm gonna click done. It's gonna tell me my score one more time, then I click exit the browser. Are you sure you wanna exit the browser? Yes, I am. Now it's closing the browser. Browser status is closed. I click done, and now I'm back in Firefox where I was before. See, I'm back in Firefox. This was my Firefox window. And then to get out of quizzes, I just go back up to the top, go to content or home or whatever I want to do from here. Hopefully that helps you guys.